Tune ground, Skyhawk 972 Delta Papa is at spot 1. We'll be staying in the traffic pattern. And we have, we'll need run up and we have information Yankee.
972 Delta Papa, taxi to run up pad via Romeo 1. Advise when your run up's complete.
Taxi to run up via Romeo 1 will advise when complete. 2 Delta Papa. Run up, brakes are on, fuel's on both. Trim set to take off and flight controls. Ailerons and rudder. All right.
Good.
Mixture full, rich. Primer is in, locked. Up to 1700 RPM.
Helicopter 409 Alpha Echo, John 2 Dart.
All right.
Helicopter 409 Alpha Echo, good morning. Continuing mount, report 1 mile northeast.
Whoops. That was my
Bad
bad.
magneto or off?
That was off.
Okay.
All right, let's go back to both. Just reestablish before we do that again. There we go. There's right. It's about 75 maybe. Back to both. Left. That's weird. This one has a more of a drop in left. It's usually the other way around.
Yeah. Go back to both. Okay, about 100 drop.
Yeah,
it's a max difference of 50.
Yeah, the difference was all right, but that left is about as far as of a drop as I would be comfortable with.
Yeah, usually the maximum drop is, what, do you remember?
100?
150.
Or is it 150? Okay. I think I got that wrong on the pre-solo.
Yeah.
All right, here we go. Carb heat. There we go. Okay, vacuum suction should be, yeah, this one's weird, is it? There's no green on this one, but I'm assuming 5 is correct.
Yes. Between
Amps.
4 and 6.
Okay, amps 0.
Helicopter 409 Alpha Echo, landing to NRO Beatron risk. Wind 060
oil pressure
5.
and temperature still looking okay. All right, idle. Friction was good. Okay, flaps. Mixture best power.
Is it all the way idle?
Okay, yeah.
There you go. Okay, good.
All right, carb heat off. Pitot heat not required. Heading to compass, we already did that, but yeah, looking good. Doors, windows are locked. Transponder 1200, altimeter or altitude, and landing light not on yet. Strobes, no factor, time note, okay. Switch over to tower. Tune tower, Skyhawk 972 Delta Papa, holding short of runway to 02, ready for takeoff.
Cessna 972 Delta Papa, John Tune Tower, runway 02, clear for takeoff. You can make left, close traffic.
Clear for takeoff, runway 02, left close traffic, 2 Delta Papa.
Good. All right.
Landing light is on.
Good. Runway is clear. That windsock.
Yeah, that's what I'm looking for right now. A little bit of a right crosswind component.
There you go.
Correct for that. Airspeed's alive. Gauge is in the green.
All right. Okay. Put your right hand on your lap.
Say what?
Put your right hand on your lap. All right. If you lost an engine right now, what would you do? Talk to me.
Yeah, so nose down.
Uh-huh.
Then we're going to establish glide speed of 65 knots.
Yeah.
Full back pressure.
And then what?
Trim. We are close enough that we could do a impossible turn and make it back to the runway.
Okay. Go ahead. Trim forward. All right. A little bit quicker.
Yeah, I should have spoken up about what all I was doing.
Yeah. You will freeze, so that is not uncommon. But always think, me personally, every time, I'm always prepared. If we have an engine failure, if we're taking off of runway 2, I'm not even probably gonna pitch until I'm turned to that field right there.
Okay, you mean with the back trim?
If we have an engine failure on the upwind, immediately, as soon as I tell that the engine has failed, I'm turning left to this field.
That field, gotcha.
Immediately, every single time.
That's 972 Delta Papa, runway 02, clear for the option.
Runway 2, clear for the option, 2 Delta Papa.
Okay.
Got too high.
Okay.
Helicopter 409 Alpha Echo, frequency change approved.
We changed today, 409 Alpha.
4 red, we're too low.
There you go. Nice.
Keep it 70. A little fast, but that's okay.
There you go.
Bubble. Track direct.
A little bit more of a crosswind correction earlier.
Yeah.
You won't drift this far away from the center line. But don't bring the flaps up. Leave them where they are.
Okay.
There you go. You can get airborne and then clean up your flaps.
We were doing a rejected landing?
Yes.
Okay.
We'll do those from now on.
Okay, gotcha.
Every time.
All right, we're fast enough. Tune Tower, Skyhawk 972 Delta Papa. We're about to turn base for runway 2.
That's 972 Delta Papa, runway 02, clear for the option.
Runway 02, clear for the option, 2 Delta Papa.
There you go.
Alright, so here we go, flaps. They turned. I kind of waited to turn base there to make sure I got the clearance, so
Yeah.
we're gonna have a little bit of an extended final. Approach sector clear.
Uh-huh.
Two, 0 flaps.
All right. So do you think you'll hit 2 white and 2 red? Okay.
Get a little bit less there.
There you go.
Yeah. Airspeed.
Uh-huh. You'll have to add a little bit of power to maintain 2 white, 2 red, right? There you go. There you go.
Oxygen Tower, 97 Foxtrot Bravo 3, northwest, 3000 descending.
Number 97 Foxtrot Bravo, roger, for midfield left downwind.
Towards midfield left downwind, 97 Foxtrot Bravo.
Oh, that sync was crazy.
Go ahead and go full power. There you go. Okay, you said you felt the sync?
Yeah, that last minute sync just happened out of nowhere, where we just kind of pulled.
Not all the way up to flaps 10, incrementally. So you go from flaps 20 to 10, then you wait till you're above 65, and then flaps 10 to flaps 0. So then you don't feel that sink down to the runway.
Number 97 Foxtrot Bravo, have you in sight. Runway 02, clear to land.
Yeah, I'm not sure what was up with that.
Bravo.
That last like 5 feet. I was trying to do some crosswind correction there with the bank to the right.
Uh-huh. Did you pull back on the yoke any?
Yeah.
Okay. You may not have brought enough back pressure. You have to continue your flare and your round out while you do the correction.
Yeah, okay. Tower, Skyhawk 972 Delta Papa is a beam the numbers approach end of runway 2.
Cessna 972 Delta Papa, runway 02, clear for the option.
Runway 02, clear for the option, 2 Delta Papa.
Okay.
Number 97 Foxtrot Papa, you can taxi to park the Alpha Romeo 1.
Parking, Alpha Romeo 1, 7 Foxtrot Bravo.
Number 97 Foxtrot Bravo, roger, have a good day.
There you go. All right.
I like that much better.
That was much better. We can still prolong the round out a little bit more.
Oops.
John Tune Tower, formation Zulu, now current altimeter 3034.
Okay.
Plenty of airspeed.
There you go. That was much better, but we still don't want to bounce. We need to reduce the energy in the plane a little bit more before we touch down.
Yeah.
Initially.
Cessna 733 Charlie Sierra, runway 02, taxi via Romeo 1 Alpha.
Got a little blown off course here. Get this back lined up. A little fast. Trying to pay a little more attention to where I'm at airspeed wise, so I know more like how much energy am I going to have to bleed off.
Right. There you go. There you go. A little bit more. Good. That one was much better.
Like that. I like that.
That was good. Also liking the crosswind corrections that you're putting in. It's getting better. There you go. Good. Yeah, the crosswind corrections you're making are getting better. You're getting closer and closer to that center line. You just have to remember, as you roll out, you must increase the deflection to stop that drift away. We're doing the crosswind well when we're landing, but when we touch down, we kind of go ailerons neutral again.
Yeah, I gotta remember to do that.
That was good. That was really, really good.
Johnson Tower, Cessna 733 Charlie Sierra, ready to runway 2 Cessna 733 Charlie Sierra, runway 02, clear for takeoff. Clear for takeoff, runway 2 Charlie Sierra. Number 60 Victor, reback correct, runway 02, taxi via Romeo 3 Alpha. Johnson Tower, 733 Charlie Sierra, on downwind, requesting options. Cessna 733 Charlie Sierra, runway 02, clear for the option. Clear for the option, Charlie Sierra.
Good.
Crosswind correction.
Good. There you go. I like that crosswind correction.
A little bit of a bounce, but not too bad.
Yeah, not terrible. Yep, a little bit more dissipation of the energy, but I think the crosswind correction, you got that final pressure in there. Last minute, we landed on the mains. We bounced a little bit, but we landed back on the mains again. You added in that crosswind correction, that was good. I will say on our final approach, it's good, it's stable, but we're still waiting a little bit for the PAPI before we make a correction. We kind of waited, we had one red.
John 2 Tower, hold for Romeo 02.
We waited until it went all white before we reduced that power to get back down where we should be. Be a little bit more proactive and predict.
I think maybe that's part of that headwind that's happening.
Sure.
That's keeping us from descending as fast as I think we should.
Yeah. But still, you can
yeah.
descend with your power still, even
Yeah.
with the headwind.
It's just taking more correction than I am anticipating.
Right.
2 Delta Papa, we are beam the numbers, approach in of runway 2.
That's 972 Delta Papa, continue.
John Tune, Archer 597 Juliet
continue on your
3 miles out, runway 2020.
Cessna 2 Delta Papa, extend your downwind traffic phone as an Archer on a 3-mile final whenever report traffic in sight.
Extending downwind, we'll report when we have that Archer traffic in sight, 2 Delta Papa.
It's
Archer 7 Juliet Golf, runway 02, clear to land.
Alright, clear to land 020 for Archer 597 Juliet Golf.
turn right heading 200. You're facing him head on.
And Archer 7 Juliet Golf has the aircraft in sight on the downwind.
Trying to see,
Number 7
got
Juliet
him.
Golf, roger.
Traffic in sight, 2 Delta Papa.
On site.
Say again.
Traffic in sight, 2 Delta Papa.
Cessna 2 Delta Papa, base, follow runway 02, clear for the option.
Runway 2, clear for the option, number 2, 2 Delta Papa.
Number 60 Victor, contact national departure.
Contact National Departure.
Cessna 3 Choice Sierra, do you have traffic your phone in sight? Cessna ahead, approximately 1 mile past the departure.
He's 45
approach
degrees behind you.
Traffic in sight, Charles here.
Before you
3
turn.
Choice Sierra, base, follow runway 02,
Wait till he's
number 3,
45
clear for
degrees
the option.
behind you before you turn after him.
Try to get that glide slope a little more accurate this time. 70 knots. Feel a sink coming. Try to anticipate.
There you go. Good.
A little bit left. Feel like I can basically go power idle at this point. Yeah. Ah, dang it.
Bring it back. Bring it back. There you go.
Ah, that was nice.
That was good.
Good bubble correction. Felt like.
There you go. Yeah. Good bubble correction. We didn't keep bringing the pitch back initially. We stopped the bubble, but when we started descending back down to runway, just remember, keep bringing that pitch back to flare, because you're going to impact the runway soon. But it was good. I'm really, yep.
Wow.
Nice.
Wow, that was out of nowhere.
Yep, it'll happen. Gotta get the big gust. I'm really liking how you're consistently tracking the runway center line though. It's setting you up for success.
I'm impressing myself, honestly, given all this crosswind.
Yeah.
It's a little calmer down there, though. It really
It
is.
is a little calmer down there, but the whole way through on that final, despite the crosswind, we're maintaining the track. We didn't once get blown to the left. Now all we need to do is carry it down to the runway. If we can maintain that track on the runway as we're rolling, we're golden. Very, very good.
Twin Tower, Skyhawk 972 Delta Papa's midfield downwind, runway 2.
That's 972 Delta Papa, short approach approved, runway 2, clear for the option.
Short approach approved, runway 2, cleared for the option, 2 Delta Papa.
Okay.
All right, carb heat. And this is going to be like power idle, power off 180 situation.
Uh-huh.
Immediately establish that glide speed.
Uh-huh.
Get back to the runway as fast as possible.
All right, this is good.
Oh, wow. We're like basically,
Floating.
yeah, because of that headwind.
Uh-huh.
It must have become more of a crosswind now.
Yep.
And
Tower 733 Charlie here, runway left off. Cessna 3 Charlie Sierra Sagan, you came in a little garbled.
Go flaps.
Left downwind, runway 2, left down. Cessna 3 Charlie Sierra, runway 2, clear for the option. Clear for the option, runway 2.
Yeah, you're doing about 60. You gotta point the nose down. There you go.
Wow. Yeah. Wow.
Okay. There you go.
That's nuts. Side picture is crazy.
It is. Right now, right about here. Yeah, slowly start bringing it back.
Still a little.
Yep. Bring your pitch back.
Ah, come on.
Yep.
Well,
There you go.
what is that?
The nose wheel.
Okay. Just making sure.
You're
Not
gonna lift
crazy.
off a little bit earlier. Push that nose forward. Very good. Flaps 20. Nose forward. Yep. There you go. Turn to the right. Yep.
Avoid that.
South 2 Tower, citation 33 Echo Kilo, runway 2. Number 33
Not all
Echo
the
Kilo,
way
John
up.
2 Tower, can you
Oh,
take
they did.
position?
Dang.
There you go. Once you're above 65, then you can go.
Yeah, I'm about
Zero.
Oh, yeah, we had all that back pressure. That's why.
Number 33 Echo Kilo, Roger, report a 3-mile final, runway 02. Roger that,
Now we're
report 3-mile
fast.
final, 02, 3 Echo
Bring your
Kilo.
pitch up. There you go. Okay. Turn a little bit more to the right for your head, for your upwind. Keep.
Cessna 972 Delta Papa, make a right 360.
Right 360, 2 Delta Papa.
Cessna 3 Charlie Sierra, make a right 360. Right 360, Charlie Sierra. Flatus 108 Juliet Charlie, John 2 Tower, hold for runway 02. Hold short, runway 02. Juliet Charlie. And 7 Whiskey Lima is turning about a 3-mile final at this time. November 0 Whiskey Lima, runway 02, clear to land. Clear to land, 27 Whiskey Lima.
Traffic inside over there.
Yep.
They're doing a 360 as well, I believe.
That's right. Yep.
Yep.
Number 0 Lima, contact National Partner. Good departure, so long, King Air 250, Hotel.
Less bank. You have traffic in sight.
Ah, got it.
Okay, go ahead. Tell them.
Cessna 2 Delta Papa, just advise me your 360 is complete. Drive your phone as a citation on about a 1.5 funnel.
360 just completed. We have that citation in sight, 2 Delta Papa.
Cessna 2 Delta, correction, 2 Delta Papa, base follow, runway 02, clear, touch and go.
Runway 02, this will actually be a full stop.
Cessna 2 Delta Papa, runway 02, clear to land.
Clear to land, 02, 2 Delta Papa.
All right.
100 Whiskey Tango, about a 4-mile final.
Number 0 Whiskey Tango, runway 02, clear to land.
02, clear to land, 0 Whiskey Tango.
There you go. We're gonna try and go off at Alpha 2 because this guy behind us got a really fast
Flatus 8 Juliet Charlie, appreciate the help. Contact National Partner.
Going to departure. Runway Juliet Charlie.
So you can go power idle down now. Keep your nose low, forward to maintain that airspeed coming in.
Get back on there. There we go.
You're good. Good at Alpha 3.
Cessna 3 Charlie Sierra, base follow, runway 02, number 2, clear for the option. Base follow, number 2.
Yeah, put some power in it.
Cessna 2 Delta Papa, if able, turn right next taxiway, contact ground when you're off.
Turning right off at Alpha 3, we'll contact ground.